Good evening to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. It is also an interesting event. Of course, it's not a good event, but you have to know as advocates. It has been published in the news and it has come to my notice that a fake advocate suspiciously practicing in Rajahmundry court was noticed by the Honorable First Additional Senior Judge, and he complained the matter to Rajahmundry 3-Town Police Station. In a nutshell, still we are finding the fake advocates in the legal profession. We have seen some people who are practicing even though they have not completed the All India Bar Examination. That is to some extent. Who failed, at least they have studied LLB. Here, this is a peculiar case. So now we will go to the brief facts of the incident. This relates to crime number 582 by 2022, registered under sections 417, 419 and 420 of the Indian Penal Code. Nothing but cheating. Cheating by impersonation, 419. And section 45 of the Advocates Act 1961. That is punishment for any person who practices in the court without competency or without being enrolled as an advocate. So, or simply to say, person not authorized to act an advocate. If he comes to the court and if he pleads, he is liable for punishment under section 45 of the Advocates Act. Right. So now we'll go to the details. What happened? On 19/10/2022, around 10:30 or 11 a.m. So, Justice or Judge, First Additional Senior Civil Judge, Mr. S. Praveen Kumar, he was sitting in the bench. He called, so the bench clerk called IA number 362 by 2022 in OS 106 by 2006. So original suit was instituted in the year 2006 and some interlocutory application was filed. It is numbered as IA number 362 by 2022. And this advocate or fake advocate, his name is already known. I have to disclose his name. His name is Kaleswara and he belongs to Tumalava of Rajahmundry. He is a chartered accountant. So FCA, his qualification is written as FCA. I think he is a chartered accountant. Then he started, Your Honor, I have been representing in this particular case regarding the defendant in this IA number so and so, and he is eloquently arguing. But the judge has got a doubt whether this man is an advocate or not. Then, stopping him in the middle, he asked, what's your name? His name is Kaleswara. He asked the bench bar, he asked the advocates who are sitting by the side. I said, I think he may be a new man, Your Honor. We don't know his address and other things. But they have been seeing him for so many years, I believe. And he asked, what is your name? He said. So where did you study? Then when did you get enrolled? He funked. Then they got a doubt. So keep him aside. Of course, the other work has to go. So he has continued the work. Ultimately, after due inquiry, it is learned that he did not pass the LLB examination. He did not simply to say, he did not get enrolled with the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh. So without getting enrolled, he is practicing. Here you have to note an important issue. Section 30 of the Advocates Act is, who has got right to practice? Only advocates. Nobody or no other. Of course, in the Income Tax Act, I told you that for practice or for discussing or for the submitting arguments in income tax matters also, the chartered accountant should have become an advocate. You should have completed the advocate process. Here, of course, the facts totally we do not know. I don't know whether he has I'm sure that he might not have got enrollment in the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh. Whatever it is, he was found arguing a case where he is not authorized. simply we can say he is a fake advocate. So you must beware. Previously, I have given you only one example where in the city civil courts of Hyderabad city, the pleader clerk posing as an advocate, he has argued number of cases and he was successful in them also. But this is a peculiar case which happened in the Rajahmundry bar, which is a reputed bar, where I worked as a DSP. So this is the main problem. So therefore, I got the number, crime number, other things. Normally, for other people, it's only a news item. Since I worked as a DSP there, I have contacted Mr. Madhubabu, who is the 3-town CA, and he has given the information. Of course, FIR is a public document. Now you can get it also. So, very bad incident. Anyway, still we are seeing people who are not advocates posing as advocates and practice in the courts. So what a fun it is. How interesting it is. Definitely they should be punished, and here there is no other go for him. Definitely he will be punished unless he produces the document of enrollment and so-called qualification. Right? Anyway, with this I am stopping. Very bad incident. But as advocates, as budding advocates, please be sure that unless you complete the enrollment, don't go to the court. Okay? And the period is 2 years. All India Bar Examination, you have to complete it within 3 years. If you by some inadvertently or due to some reasons you are not able to complete, get the exam, go through the examination, then only come to the practice. Otherwise, such difficulties you may also have to face. So with this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.